This podcast is for stories and sharing, not for medical advice.
So if today's topic hits something personal, please ask your own doctor and not your aunties on the mic.
Okay, game na. Let's talk real life, real midlife. Hi, I'm Auntie Belle.
Hi, I'm Auntie Karen.
And this is
Auntie Time!
So ito na nga, our next episode is What the Facts. Ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin yan? Kung ikaw ba ay mainit ang ulo, biglang irritable, bigla ka nalang umiiyak habang naglilinis, nag-vacuum, naglinis ang desk
Nalulungkot.
mo. Oo, nasasad, ganyan, na gusto mong mag-moment, mag-isa, this episode is for you. Baka perimenopause na yan, ante.
That's right.
Oh.
So, this, more on factuals na tayo. Tama na ang marehan.
Pwede pa rin naman tayo magmarihan ng slight. So, yan ang una natin gagawin.
Yes.
So, first fact, many Filipinos start perimenopause earlier than they expect. So, ito na pinag-uusapan na natin. Ano ba yung age range na yan, ante?
Well, iba-iba nga daw because I only sort of discovered mine as far back as 2023. And it started ng quite innocently because I started playing golf.
Oo.
But I had this sudden, indescribable pain of frozen shoulder.
Okay.
So I went to the PT and all, but it was in fact an ortho specialist who told me, Karen, you might be in perimenopause.
But I remember you made kwento, parang in denial ka pa, no? Akala mo sa golf-related lang
Oh,
siya.
I thought it was golf related, and I suffered for months. I couldn't lift my arms. I couldn't unclasp my bra, or even as simple as mag-shirt lang.
Ganun siya
It's giving
kahirap.
excruciating pain, ante. So, it started there. However, feeling ko mas maaga knowing the symptoms of perimenopause, ha? Kasi as far back as 38, I didn't even know what vertigo was. And then I had my first episode of vertigo, which is, I wouldn't really wish it on anyone. It's debilitating, really. So, I think subjective. While there is an age range, because perimenopause could be as far as 10 to 15 years prior menopause.
Oo. So, ito na nga yun. So, ito na nga. Not a lot of people know na may ganong yung age na yan at mga symptoms na yan. Alam mo yan, may mga friends tayong
Oo nga.
they know or in denial.
Like I told you, sa aking recent months or years of talking about it among friends, high school, college, and even work colleagues, dalawa ang napapansin ko. Either our friends know but are in denial, simply because to accept to be in the perimenopause phase is accepting that we are aging.
Oo nga, na tumatanda. Siyempre, sino man naman ang gustong maka-accept
That's
na
right.
agad, right?
But the
So,
second one is pretty much like you. You were feeling all these discomforts and out of this world symptoms. And like you said, you just discovered the word perimenopause this year.
yes, menopause lang ang alam ko, ante. So, it's awareness talaga.
Yes,
One thing
yes.
is awareness. Second is acceptance. So,
Which
ako
is
naman,
subjective.
Oo.
Acceptance is subjective, of course.
Correct.
And we
So-
just have to respect wherever they want to accept.
Oh, but we're doing this para at least alam din nila ano nga ba yung symptoms and then they decide. Do you wanna acknowledge it now? Or do you wanna, I don't know.
Or we
kung
want them to be comfortable that they're friends like us. We are okay to talk about it because that's part of the blessing of getting in this age. Like I would always say, ito ay isang blessing to be here right now. While it's challenging.
Yes. It's a biological recalibration of some sort.
Yes, that's right.
So, it's an upgrade, as you mentioned in the
An
beginning,
upgrade of being
diba?
a woman, yes.
Correct.
Yes,
So, yun. So, yung episode natin na ngayon, yan yung pag-uusapan natin. Ano yung facts? And it's up to us, or it's up to you, kung gusto nyo bang, kung ma-recognize nyo ba yung mga symptoms na yan.
That's
Ante,
right,
tama?
that's right.
So, another symptom, yung init ng ulo. Ayan. Is it normal? Or is it caused by stress?
Well,
Symptom na ba siya?
challenge sa asawa ko yan. Kasi alam niya, bata pa lang ako, masama na daw ugali. So hindi niya alam kung ito ba ay perimenopause o nare-recalibrate at ma-upgrade ang pagkademonya ko.
Oo, so baka nga.
well.
Pero mood swings pa din is mood swings. It's
Mood
hormonal.
swings. Yes, yes,
It's hormonal.
yes,
So,
it is.
ano nga ba yan,
Ikaw.
signs natin. Yung parang mabilis na lang akong mairita. One moment, I love you, fam! And then the next minute, ang iingay nyo!
Oh,
Yun.
no!
So, parang doon ko na-realize na, hindi naman ako ganoon. Even my son would, well, I heard na pinag-usapan nila ng husband ko, no? Parang, why is she like that? She's not like that before. So, merong realization sa akin na, okay, there's a difference. So, baka nga,
That's the mental
na
side.
hormonal imbalance in
Yeah.
terms of that. So,
Meron
in
pa
your
yung
case,
physical side. Ako, syempre, hindi ko na nga masyadong binibilang yung mental kasi mental na ako. Diba?
correct, oo.
So, we're talking about the physical side, which is for me, frozen shoulder.
Mm-mm.
Not a lot of women or it's maraming nakaka-experience
Ako
pero
wala
not
niyan.
necessarily ma-experience ang frozen shoulder.
Oo.
Eh,
May kanya-kanya tayong
Yes.
care package.
Yes.
Anong set of gifts na
That's
binigay sa yung
right.
symptoms?
Ng
This is different from
because there are
mine.
over 100 symptoms
100
as
na
we
ba?
speak.
Okay.
Yeah, and these are all physiological, mental, and physical symptoms. Sa akin, I would like to put some focus on the physical side. Kasi I try to live a healthy lifestyle. Not really, but I try my best.
Oo.
Ang babae, I think we're built for pain or discomfort. But the excruciating pain of frozen shoulder is like
Something else.
That was one na parang, what's wrong with me?
Uy, giving birth is at the same level
Well,
ba
yeah,
as
but
giving
of
birth?
course, we're on drugs. We're on epidural. But this one, you live through it every day.
Oo.
Okay, that's number one. Number two for me was, while you work out, there would be mornings when your joint feels just off.
Yeah.
And I do yoga.
Yun na nga eh. Medyo
Diba? Yung
ano ka dyan.
mobility ko, I work on my mobility. But it's really something na, so sa akin, like you naman, ang ano mo sa'yo is the mental. Ako more on the physical. Although meron din akong period na I would look at my partner and would have this, why is he breathing so loud?
Yes.
Why is he chewing
Nakakairita
so loud?
agad-agad, ano? Oo.
So, may mental din ako. Pero matagal na nga akong mental, so
Correct,
physical
correct.
tayo.
But I remember you told me, your son, parang you're gung-ho. I mean, you're always checking up on your kids
Yes.
excessively.
Excessively.
Is that the right term?
Oo, siguro
Oo.
yun yung aking symptom na I want to know where you are, what you do, who you with. Are you doing drugs? Are you minding your
Is
manners?
that normal naman for a mom? Paano siya
Oo.
naging excessive in a sense?
Kasi OA na ako eh.
Pati yung link ba?
Pati yung link niya. As mentioned nga, pare, drop
Link
me the link. I
ng
want to
ano.
know where you are, who you with, who's your friend. Parang ganon.
Oo.
Pero
And you
again,
weren't like
I'm just-
that before or even...
Well, I think I've always been. So I
So,
don't-
ang hirap na.
you can't tell because it's a mental thing for me. Excessive overbearing.
Aha.
Biglang, okay, bahala na kayo sa buhay niyo. May ganung polarity.
Oh, okay. So, minsan, ano ka,
Over.
focus na, over na focus, and then minsan,
Polars
what the
apart.
else, ganon.
Yes, that's right. That's
Okay, that's good. That's good. And then next naman is hot flashes. Can feel different for Pinay, especially tropical country, mainit. I know hot flashes is such a common symptom even in western countries. Pero nadagdagan sa init ng Pinas. Ako, ante, pakiramdam ko pag nag-hot flashes ako, pinapractice na ako ng demonyo papunta ng hell, ante. Ganon na siya. Ay, practice na ba ito? Ganon. Na sobrang init.
Yes.
So have you experienced this
Meron
as well?
akong periodic. Actually, nagkakaroon ako yung I would wake up in the middle of the night sweating.
Yes.
Hindi ko alam
I
kung
experienced
bakit.
that din.
And then nakikita ko, bukas naman yung aircon na nasa
Oo.
16.
Yung mga katabi mo, nilamig na lamig
Nilalamig
na.
na yung asawa mo, pero ikaw, ba't parang ano? Or, in the middle of the day, like I was texting you, para kang sinisilaban from the
Oo.
inside.
Ay, pinapractice na nga tayo, ante, sa,
I think.
sa hell.
Oo.
Yun na rin
Bago
yun.
tayo mag-rain over.
Para carry na daw natin.
Sanay na, acclimatize na
Oo,
tayo, babe.
Correct. Oo. So, yeah, that's that. So, ako naman, para lang siguro comfortable ako bago ako matulog. I don't know if this would apply to others, no? Pagka meron akong skincare, so yung mga skincare na pinapahid-pahid, nilagay ko siya sa ref, ante. So
Para
bago ko siya
lumamig.
ipahid, malamig sa mukha, and it helps para makatulog ako. But I'm not saying na mabilis ako makatulog after that. It helps. No, tapos pag night sweat naman, ang ginagawa ko, silk lang yung suot ko at night. And then, yun nga, naglalagay ako ng mga konting palamig. Ikaw, I know, meron kang liniment or something eh.
Tandaan nyo, dalawang liniment, hot and cold.
So,
Lagay
doon
niyo
tayo
yung
sa cold.
Oo. Nilalagay ko sa leeg ko, sa balakang, yung lower back.
So, that helps, no?
It helps for me.
Oo.
Pero kung umaga nga lang, maghapon kang pag gising mo lang sa umaga, amoy ante ka, but you know what? We don't
Amoy
care.
lola ka na.
Yes.
Mas comfort na tayo ngayon, ante.
Comfort over vanity.
That's true.
But of course, thank you to our Diva Life. Wala na, double chin, ante mo.
Correct.
Thank you,
Okay.
Direk. Thank you to our producer.
Correct. Okay, so isa pang battle natin.
Sleep
it's a
pala.
fact, ah. Hindi na yun.
Tapos na tayo sa sleep.
Oo.
Hindi ka nagme-melatonin, ante.
Ay, oo nga pala. Sige, go. Wait
Hindi
lang.
ka nag-aa.
Hindi pa ako nagsa-supplement for it. Yun muna yung mga ginagawa kong hack ba yan?
Pero
Or
wala
ano.
ka pang iniinom na melatonin.
Wala pa.
Ako wala na. Graduate na ako sa melatonin. I have discovered and became friends with magnesium glycinate.
Oo. What
At
does it
night.
do?
Sabi nila
Para-
nag-regulate daw ng mood tsaka pampasarap ng tulog.
Ayun naman pala, nag-regulate nga ba?
So far. The past, hindi yung mood ha, but the sleep.
The sleep.
The sleep.
Ah,
Tsaka
it
siguro, siguro we're all guilty about, having that automatic, wala nang TikTok pag 30 minutes before sleeping time.
That's a
Wala
good tip.
nang
Doom
IG,
scrolling kasi ang
scrolling,
nangyayari.
oo.
Oo.
So, siguro, I have to impose it on myself.
Oo.
Apart from all the supplements and the pahid, liniments here and there.
Oo.
Siguro talaga yung disiplinahin ko na lang sarili ko,
Oo.
hindi na ako magbubukas ng
Self-care
IG.
naman din yun,
Yes,
ante.
yes,
So, para
yes.
din naman sa atin yun. Ako, additional tip, everywhere you go, kailangan meron tayong fan.
Hanggang pagtulog mo, ante?
Oo. So, kahit saan, meron. And then, of course, meron tayong water bottle everywhere we go,
water bottle,
diba?
huwag kang magbigay.
To
Kasi
hydrate.
magigising ka ng gabi.
So, anyway, hot
Maiihi
flashes in
ka.
general,
Oh, yeah,
if you're outside, may fan ka.
That's right.
Meron
That's right.
kang
Tsaka meron i-spray na ngayon na
mist.
malamig.
May mist, diba?
Tapos igaganon mo, tapos lumalamig
Yun
na.
na nga.
Yes.
So, those are the simple
little
things
hacks.
that I do.
Yes, little hacks.
No, so yan. So next naman is ito na, weight gain. Ako na to. Weight gain na parang lahat ng kinain ko napunta na sa puson ko, ante. Ganun ka din ba?
Ako, na-discover ko yan siguro mga 2 or 3 years ago. Yung puson talaga at saka yung salik balakang. Kahit na hindi ako kumain ng marami.
Ganun talaga,
kahit na
no?
mag-exercise ako.
So,
Talagang
it has something to do with our
with
estrogen.
the
eh.
imbalance of our hormones.
Oo, correct.
And we call
Yun
it FUPA.
talaga siya.
I think they call it FUPA.
Oh, okay. So, ano dapat natin gawin? Meron ba tayong dapat gawin that can help that? Or
Kasi meron pa ako, so sasabihin ko, tanggapin na lang natin.
i-accept na lang natin
Hindi,
yun?
hindi. But ako well, we're still figuring out on how to balance the hormones kasi.
Okay.
Like for me, ang aking HRT journey nag-start this year pa lang eh.
Ayan na ang HRT.
But that would be an entirely different episode.
Pero you're on HRT, ante. And it helps. Is that what you're saying? In a nutshell.
Okay. To each her own.
Oo.
But I started my HRT this year. There
Okay.
are good and bad, and HRT is not for everybody.
Okay, HRT is
Hormone
hormone.
replacement therapy. There can
Since bumababa yung hormones natin, this is an alternative.
Yes,
no?
yes.
So, but you're saying it's not for everybody.
It's
so
not
you
for
have to consult.
everybody because, of course, ultimately, we need to consult our health professional.
Oo.
Kasi isa sa mga advocacy namin ni Auntie Bal dito, that's why we started this, is because we are telling our viewers, Gen X women, our friends, our relatives, advocate for yourselves in as far as your health is concerned. Hindi ko sinabi ng doktor yan na hindi. Pwedeng magtanong. If it doesn't work for you, maybe the doctor isn't fit for you. And you can find other healthcare provider who can work with you because you are still your best health care provider. Alam mo eh.
That's a good tip,
Yeah.
ante. Kasi a lot of women pa rin naman ngayon. Parang kung sino na yung doktor na pinunta, yun na. And then, kahit na hindi masyadong trained in terms of
Girl,
perimenopause.
imagine mo yung pedia ko. Hanggang
pinagtsatsagaan
23
nila.
years old ako, pedia ko siya. May anak na ako.
Oo.
Diba? Na dapat pala wala ng pedia.
Oo. So yun na nga. Even though meron kang pinupuntahan na OB-GYN mo, it's not necessarily na fit kayo when it comes to perimenopause.
Oo, tsaka
Talks
maraming,
naman, diba?
maraming, apart from OB-GYN, there are other doctors who can complement what your OB-GYN
Oo.
can provide for you sa healthcare.
So, importante talaga yung mayroon din relationship.
Yeah,
Na
relationship
maayos
and
kayo ng
options.
doktor mo.
Yes.
Okay. That's also good. So, next would be many Filipinas don't talk about it, the perimenopause or menopause.
Yeah.
No? Bakit? Kasi usual sa Pinay, ang tiisin mo na lang yan, sarilinin mo na lang yan. Normal naman yan sa babae. Nobody has to know sort
But
of
to
thing.
be
Hindi
fair
natin
naman to the
pinag-uusapan.
generation before us and the generation, kumbaga the generation of our mothers and our grandmothers, culturally, it wasn't openly discussed. Kasi nga, even medical science, they don't know the answer for them.
Back
Sa
then,
panahon
oo.
ng lola at mga nanay natin.
Correct.
Ngayon pa nga lang nagkakaroon ng breakthrough. Kaya I think we're very lucky that way na breakthrough in science, medical science is happening in our lifetime as mid-age.
Correct. And nataon na Gen X are very
Makulit,
loud.
matanong. If
Oo.
something isn't right, Gen X would ask, sandali. Something doesn't feel right.
This
right?
is part of the advocacy that we're doing
Yes,
nga,
yes,
'di ba?
yes, yes.
So 'yun. So maraming Filipinas hindi pinag-uusapan. So ngayon dapat na siyang pag-usapan. So yung mga kumbaga the women won't have to suffer in silence. Magsama-sama tayong lahat. Pag-usapan natin to. If you have questions, baka na-experience na rin ng mga friends mo yan. Let's talk about it. So, the same way that we're talking about this, about our journey. Diba? So, ganun din naman yon. Another one is, yung stress at saka yung caregiving makes it harder for Pinays. Diba? Kasi nga, at this stage, as they said, ang estrogen, tama ba ante? Ang estrogen is the eye care hormones.
It's the nurturing hormone.
Correct. So, pag nagdidip siya or bumababa ang estrogen, nawawala na yung pake mo. Diba? Sa iba.
The pake is the first to go. Actually, I noticed.
Oo. So yun. So paano yun in our setting? Because we're mothers and Filipinas are nurturing and by nature. So paano ba yan? Hindi siya masyadong magagrasp. Kasi nanay tayo, sister tayo,
It
anak
doesn't
tayo.
stop because may perimenopause,
Nagsaserve
right?
tayo. Yun yung
exactly.
una nating nasa isipin is to serve our family, our
That's
our
why I
husbands.
think it's important that we have our safe spaces among friends who share the same journey.
Right.
Na, baka ano mo lang yan, estradiol mo or estrogen mo bumabagsak.
Oo.
But it doesn't define who you are as a woman.
Correct.
Even before.
Oo.
But, kailangan di-acknowledge natin na nangyayari to sa mga katawan natin.
Correct.
Alright? And again, going back to whatever medical science is offering us right now, we encourage, go to your professional health advisor, your doctors, who would tell you,
How to manage
how to
this.
manage it. There can be non-hormone through food,
Oo, or a diet.
or a diet, or bio-identical hormone replacement, hormone replacement na synthetic.
Ayun, Google natin yan. Oh.
Google ninyo. There are a lot of ways because us women, much as we are biologically similar, we are uniquely different too eh. So what works for you, Bel, might not necessarily work for me.
Exactly. Even the symptoms nga, we're
Even
not
the
same,
symptoms, diba?
diba? Oo.
So, tayo nga, again, I think it starts with having a safe community of friends or like-minded individuals. Na number one, in-accept na natin.
Oo.
Kasi if you don't accept, we can talk about all the science and opportunities behind addressing and managing the symptoms. But if there's no acceptance, we cannot move forward. But the minute you accept, and we have created this, like podcast, or even your simple brunch marehan with your college barkada or your colleagues at work, or maybe
Who
your
knows they're experiencing the same and they can give some tips as
Tapos
well.
biglang, eto na
Oo.
yung pag-uusapan ninyo. Sometimes you don't need answers right away. Women, I think, we just want to feel heard.
Yes, agree. That's true.
Pakinggan nyo lang ako na again, anong favorite line ko? Hindi ka nauulol.
This is happening.
This is happening because you are going through an interesting transition in life.
Correct. Agree. So yan, so importanteng maki-commune tayo sa ating mga friends.
For example, career-wise for me,
Oo.
you know how driven I am.
Yes, passionate.
Passionately so.
Oo.
But much recently, there was an interesting offer for me to advance my career.
Okay.
And I wanted this career for so long. I prayed for it
Oo.
3-4 years ago.
Oo.
And then, my prayers were answered.
Okay.
It was offered to me.
It's a happy
It should be a happy. But
Oo.
and then, I found myself terrified na, gusto ko ba talaga to? Ayoko na ng stress eh. Ayoko na ng drama.
I don't have to go through the same.
I don't have to go through that.
Oo.
So, I think I don't blame perimenopause. I think my face is saving me. Because, building our careers, bugbog sarado tayo, girl.
Correct.
Diba? So,
Parang for me, I have nothing to prove anymore. Hindi na tayo.
oo, nandoon na ako.
Happy na ako with where I am right now.
I will stay where I am appreciated.
Correct.
I don't have to be the front and center and be the all the time. I don't have to. But I want to keep a very close space. Even I posted much recently, streamlining friendship. Streamlining drama.
Correct.
Hindi lahat ng pagkain sa buffet kailangan nating kainin.
Oo, correct.
Kahit pa
So this is part of our
I think
realization and
oo
self-care.
na I don't want the drama anymore in my career.
No BS na.
Oo.
No BS na.
So
Even
I said
me at
no.
work, ganon.
And people were asking, you wanted it for so long. Why didn't you take it? And I said, my gut is telling me I don't need to go through the process of pagod, galit every day, stress.
I think ang pinanggagalingan yan, Ante, kasi meron na rin tayong, parang suddenly, kahit na konti lang ginawa natin, yung over-fatigue ka agad yung feeling.
Tapos yung mentally, bubugbugin ka pa, no way. I'm going home, I wanna sleep.
Exactly, yun pa. Sleep
Diba?
is important. So yeah. So, in a nutshell, ang episode natin ngayon is about recognizing the symptoms.
The factual symptoms, again, over
accepting it.
100 symptoms that you can find online readily. Akala nyo lang na hindi, yung mga sometimes hindi ko alam yung tinnitus pala.
Oo, even that is part.
Itchy ears pala.
Correct. Even Makating Kifi, Ante.
Yes.
May mga naririnig akong
And
ganon.
Pati yung, hindi naman ako dati ma-UTI, bakit every 3 weeks, maayos naman yung buhay ko, bakit ako nagkaka-UTI?
It's part of the symptom.
It's
Then,
part of the 100
yung
symptoms.
hair din na
Hair
nag-thinning.
fall,
Oo.
yes.
Brittle ang nails. Those are signs or symptoms of perimenopause na we should recognize so we can
Nanunuyo ang
manage
skin
it,
among
diba?
other
So,
things in your body.
Yun na nga. So, kailangan natin i-recognize yung symptoms na yun in order for us to manage it. Kasi
Yes.
pag once na-manage mo siya, it's going to be everyday happy for you.
Yes.
And the people around you as well.
Yes, exactly. And it's good that I learned it from you when you said, I don't want the word treat.
Yes.
Because to be in peri and meno, we do not have a disease.
This is not a disease. I told Ante,
Hindi
this is
sakit
not a
po ito,
disease. This is not an illness. So, hindi siya dapat tinitreat as an
Sakit.
illness or sakit. Hindi. So, it's a natural, it's a biological recalibration nga. So, natural sa atin to.
So we manage it.
Yeah. So, we manage it.
individually, uniquely, because no two women are ever the same.
Correct. And
So-
we power through it. Sanay naman tayo with all that. So yeah, so that's our conclusion for today. And that's our episode for today. We hope to see you on our next episode. And you can
Yes.
find us at
TikTok, Spotify, YouTube. We are also on IG and Facebook. Ante Time. So we hope to see you in the next episode. And with that,
This is Auntie Belle.
this is Auntie Karen.
and this is
Auntie
Time.
Time.